welcome back to Wray's Garage. Thanks for checking in for another short and sweet episode. Today we're taking a quick look at the Tesla delivery program. You may have seen the Carvana pickup experience we had just a couple months back. If not, I'll post that up here in the corner and you can check that out. Both show the giant leaps forward in the transactional experience of picking up a car and purchasing a vehicle in a non-traditional setting. It was pretty quiet at this location on this day, but there were plenty of cars with time delivery stamps on them, so we'll assume that's just Tesla being particularly organized. Today we're picking up a 2018 Model X in the 75D battery variety. This is Amanda's car. We got the 6-seater configuration. You'll see a lot more of it over time. Today's really just the pickup experience. We did get the white seating, which came with the enhanced package at the time we purchased the vehicle. I know Tesla's spent a lot of time lately mixing and matching what they put up, what's available. In fact, you can no longer even order the 75D at this time. But the enhanced package came with the HEPA air filter, the bioweapon defense, so we can watch the carnage ensue before the world ends, and then the 11 speaker system and super useful heated everything for all of us folks that live here in the desert. The service center wasn't overly loaded up and everything was fairly quiet and clean in there, probably due to the fact there are less moving parts in these vehicles. In summary, the car's an interesting drive. It's perfect for the family wagon. Certainly to this point, Amanda loves all the gizmos that exist in there and all the cool features and quirks that don't exist in your traditional vehicles. All that said, for me, autopilot's pretty uncomfortable. I like the idea of the car. I've yet to be blown away. I think, as you'll see later on, I have different plans for my electrical vehicle experience. But this is a really great starting point, and kudos to Tesla for getting this kind of vehicle pushed back into the mainstream. Stay tuned for a D-Chrome, and we'll do some driving. Maybe you'll even see this do some autocross in the coming months, although I'm slightly apprehensive about that.